Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Cardano ADA. So we actually take a look right now, we see a $2.83 price. We are seeing about a 2.71% increase in the last 24 hours. As this left side continues to rise up to that $2.86 mark, we are going to see about a decrease most likely in this last 24 hours. However, I do want to explain how that is actually a decent thing. So if we actually take a look at the last week, we're seeing about a 15% increase. So we're seeing a lot of good news coming in about Cardano, obviously some big dates coming ahead as well. With smart contracts coming September 12th, we are going to see a lot of big hype surrounding Cardano for the next couple of weeks. And then obviously, like I said, Cardano summits as well. So the 25th and the 26th are Cardano Summit 2021 dates, and we're going to see some big announcements on where those locations are. All the meetups are going to be absolutely huge. Obviously, a lot to talk about through the year of 2021. I do want to take a look at the last month, though, seeing about a 121.7% increase in just the last month alone, seeing a $2.83 price point. Cardano is looking very, very good. We see a $91.8 billion market cap, with the volume in the last 24 hours actually pushing all the way up to $7.4 billion. Cardano ADA, by the way, if you guys don't know, is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol called Ouroboros that validates transactions without high energy costs. So development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So if we actually take a look at the first, we'll look at the market first. Actually, I want to kind of overview this. Bitcoin specifically did a massive push, and that's the same thing that happened with Cardano. If we actually take a look at the last 24 hours of Cardano, we see a $2.95 price point, August 27th at 8 p.m. So last night we had a great push for Cardano. A lot of people very happy about that. Now we're coming back down off of that to about 283. This will not be the last push back up to that $3 range. Trust me on that. If we actually take a look on Bitcoin, though, you can see that there has been a ton of volatility in this last week. And so the market has gone up and down quite a bit. But, the month started out around that, below $40,000 range. So we're looking very, very good right now. I do want to say, guys, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on so you can stay up to date with so many different altcoins across the channel. We talk about it all on this channel. Obviously, a lot to talk about when it comes down to Cardano, Chainlink, Polkadot, Stellar Lumens, as well as XRP, and so many more. If we actually take a look at the first tweet, this one's going to talk about today. We have just submitted an upgrade proposal to the Cardano testnet to hard fork the chain into the Alonzo era and enable smart contract capability. This will take effect within the next few hours. So this was a big upgrade as of 20 August, or I guess yesterday about 12:03 p.m. we saw this upgrade take place. I just didn't have a video out since then, so I wanted to kind of go back yesterday and talk about how this is a major milestone and marks the final and critical stage prior to hard forking the Cardano mainnet on target for September 12th. Like I said, this is a big deal. They're doing their final checks and within a controlled environment, ensure that we are ready to upgrade the main Cardano network and usher in a transformative era of smart contract capability. Obviously, absolutely huge for Cardano. There's a couple more things I want to take a look at. A lot of it very, very bullish stuff. But before I do so, guys, I do want to talk about Apollo Fintech. So this is actually going to be kind of a sponsored part of the video, just talking about Apollo Fintech and what it is real quick. And then I want to jump back into, obviously, more on Cardano. But Apollo Fintech, if you guys didn't know, is definitely worth looking into. It's a coin that has a lot of capabilities, a lot of possibilities. I will have the link for all of this information down below so you guys can take a look in the description. But just a lot of things to look into. So Knox National Payment Platform, they have the Knox Commodity Exchange, Knox e-Government, as well as all of this, there's, like I said, so much going on. So they have government solutions, commercial products, consumer products as well. You can actually take a look, like I said, a little bit deeper yourselves, but there's a lot of reasons to actually get involved with APL or Apollo Fintech, and we can actually go to their Twitter as well. They have retweet and tag your friends and comment the chance to win to a $1 million Tesla Cybertruck and a supercar. So obviously a lot of different giveaways that they're doing on their Twitter account as well. They've been around in the game for quite some time, and I think, realistically, we are going to see them most likely continue to push up. If you actually go to their price chart as well, you're going to see some good things going on there. I do want to jump back, though, like I said, back into really some different tweets and news regarding Cardano. So the Cardano fact that a lot of people don't know is, where do these staking rewards come from? So if you guys aren't taking advantage of those staking rewards already, definitely do so. Put your Cardano in a place to where you can earn these passive income rewards. So there's a reserve of about 12 billion ADA. Then there's a rewards pot. So each epoch, 0.3% of the reserve and all transaction fees are put into the pot. 20% of the pot goes to the treasury to support development. 80% goes to the staking rewards. So you can see exactly how staking rewards work and where it all goes to and comes from. Here was a great little tweet line. So Lark Davis actually tweeted out the blockchain split has software bug affects more than half the network. He was referring to this tweet specifically. So bug impacting over 50% of Ethereum clients lead to fork. This is absolutely huge. And Cardano leader Charles Hoskinson says, this is why we built the hard fork combinator. Obviously, just showing reasons as to why Cardano could be better than Ethereum in many different ways. And I have a couple different reasons as to why that is here. Just in a couple minutes, we'll look at another little picture. We have, like I said, this breaking bug impacting over 50% of Ethereum's clients leading to that fork. So they actually, if we deep dive into this, we're not going to go too deep into this because this is more based on Ethereum, but it's definitely good that, unfortunately the competitor is struggling so that Cardano can push up. In reality, I would like all cryptocurrencies to do very, very well. And, we all push up together though. So I obviously do hold Ethereum as well as Cardano, but a bug affecting older versions of a major Ethereum client is causing these nodes, as we get a pop-up, these nodes to split from the main network. This affects around 54% of Ethereum nodes. That's a massive, massive amount, obviously more than half. And if we actually take a look at this, you can see that the Google Trends are leading for Cardano pretty significantly. So we can see Ethereum is down to Cardano's level, or Cardano is up to Ethereum's level, whatever you guys would like to say. Either way, Cardano is trending in the right direction as Ethereum is low enough to where they are actually touching for the first time in, quite some time, if ever. So Cardano, like I said, leading up to this, we have a lot more people searching about Cardano, a lot more people understanding Cardano's significance, and I think we are going to see more retail as well as really institutional investors jumping in and getting on board with Cardano. Obviously, this kind of shows that popularity kicking in as well. I do want to go back to the price chart, give you guys price predictions for the end of the year, end of the bull market as well. But we are seeing, like I said, a 0.32% increase in the last 24 hours. It'll actually end up being negative as we push this left side up to $2.87, and this right side is right around that 283, 284, 282. So just keep that in mind. We are going to be at a negative, but overall, Cardano is doing very, very well. If we actually take a look, like I said, at the Cardano price right now, we are seeing about 283, and I think, realistically, we've talked about a $3 to $5 price point by the end of the year, definitely being a possibility, and we've also talked about, prices for the end of the bull market, and I think $3 to $5 is definitely realistic, conservative when it comes to the end of the year. When it comes to the bull market, I think we could easily reach $7 to $10 at the very, very least. That's going to be a realistic, reasonable, conservative price prediction, so you'd be seeing, about a 3x from this current price point if, we get to that, $7 to $10 range that we are all hoping for. So I do want to talk about one more thing, guys, before we go. So that is going to be my Patreon. So I just started this Patreon. There is limited spaces actually remaining. So 99 on the silver and 24 on the gold. I do have, a bunch of different opportunities for you guys here. So we have exclusive market updates and news, pre-sale opportunities, and low market cap picks, as well as you get, Discord benefits if you guys have Discord. Patreon only updates. It depends which one you grab, but over here on the right side, if you go gold, you can actually see my portfolio altogether, and I'll give you guys updates on my trades. So just a lot of opportunities. You'll be the first to see these low market cap picks, like I said, and first to see the pre-sale opportunities. So if you guys want to take advantage, I do have my Patreon linked in the description as well, patreon.com/CryptoProfitYT. So thank you guys again for tuning in. If you have not already, at least make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. And if you have not already as well, might as well follow me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT. Thanks again. I'll see you all in the next one.